If you're trying to play Call of Duty, Black Ops 2, and you're unable to connect because the servers appear to be down, then you're not the only one facing this issue. Before making this video, I went through multiple Reddit discussions and community forums, and I found that a lot of players have been reporting the exact same problem. Some users mentioned they were getting disconnected in the middle of a match, while others couldn't even connect to the online servers. A few players also reported seeing messages indicating that the servers were unavailable. Interestingly, many users also pointed out that the official server status sometimes shows everything is working normally, even though they're still unable to connect. So if you're experiencing this issue, there's a good chance it isn't just happening on your end. Now, if we take a look at Downdetector, you can see that players have been reporting connection problems there as well. Even if the website says there are no current issues, the outage graph and recent user reports can still indicate that other players are experiencing similar problems. This is always worth checking before making changes to your PC because it helps you determine whether the issue is affecting multiple users or only your connection. After going through dozens of community discussions, I noticed that a few solutions were repeatedly recommended by players who eventually managed to get back online. So let's go through them one by one. The first thing you should do is completely restart your game and your PC. It may sound basic, but several players mentioned that restarting both the game and their system allowed them to reconnect after the servers became available again. Next, restart your internet connection. Turn off your router for about 1 minute, then power it back on, and wait until your internet connection is fully restored. Once everything is connected again, launch Black Ops 2 and check whether you can access the online servers. If the problem continues, try changing your network by using Cloudflare WARP or another trusted VPN. According to several Reddit users, switching to a different network route helped them connect when their normal ISP routing was causing server connection problems. If you're playing on Steam, open Steam and verify the integrity of the game files. Corrupted or missing game files can sometimes prevent the game from connecting properly. Another solution that appeared multiple times in the Reddit discussions was simply waiting for a while and trying again later. A number of players reported that the servers would come back online after some time without them making any changes. If Downdetector is showing a spike in reports, or many players are posting about the same issue, then the problem is most likely server related, and you'll simply need to wait until it's resolved. Finally, make sure your game, Steam client, and Windows are fully updated. Installing the latest updates can fix compatibility or network-related issues that may be preventing the game from connecting. These were the solutions I found after reviewing multiple Reddit discussions and community reports. While there isn't a single fix that works for everyone, these are the methods that players most frequently reported as successful. If you're still unable to connect to the Black Ops 2 servers, let me know in the comments exactly what error message you're seeing, and I'll try my best to help you out.